Comrade, comrade, mamelani la. Yazi ngiyahleka mina. Ma comrade mamelani la. Ethini nginitshele something. Usambudla. There's no way azoba emotionally towards this. That one I'm 100% sure. We have these people who are not politicians, who are not revolutionists, who just join politics just because nje kuyajoyinwa kahle kahle bagive uphile empilweni manje babona ukuthi amapolitiki la bangadlalela khona abangazodlala inqathu khona bajampe benze badlale because they have nothing to do actually. Now uDudu she's a revolutionist and very very observed, very observed. Now you see ezinye izinto zizokumangaza la zizokumangaza definitely ukuthi how can you celebrate such a thing really if you are a comrade, you are a revolutionist, you are a politician, how can you celebrate such a thing? Tomorrow it will be you, the very same people obacelebrate ukuthi baxoshe omunye or ba-expele omunye tomorrow. Bafethu ipolitiki, this is politics. Thatha i-soccer ball, just take a soccer ball and then bese uyalimeja ulibona ukuthi uzophuma nesizini sezwana. Mawuqeda ukulimeja ubese uyangitshela uzobuya nesizini. Ngisho ngakuthengela i-airplane or i-private jet le kaMatlala bese uyalithatha ulibeka phansi ibhola, that soccer ball, put it down and then you will see it will roll. That's politics. You can't celebrate such a thing, man. You can't celebrate elspection yomunye umuntu kwipolitiki. Wena mawubheka uhleli phansi ubheka uNhlamulo noDuduzile bangaxoshelwa into eyenzeke last week while we were with them kwi-moral service. And mawuthi ayichecka lento uhleli phansi ngempela if uyi-politician yinto ebengayelwa kwi-media briefing lekhulunywe ngayo, a real politician. Abanye abantu banokusifaka underbus nje, basifake underbus baze babe exposed ukuthi kahle kahle they are not here to build the organization. They are here to ukzo target abantu nokuzozona. There's nothing that you can move or you can shift between uDuduzile no Nxamalala. Igazi elilodwa leliyani ubabakhe loya, that if awukutholi kahle ubabakhe omzalayo, nawu nobabakho okuzalayo nomama okuzalayo ongakaza avula i-political party or abe ne-political party. Now yekela laba abane-political party kuba bakhuliswe ipolitiki. Wena focus esontweni ezayona or ube umzeti or ube kuphi la ukhulele khona, the way ukhule ngakhona, but ungangeni, don't interfere on the family matters of other families because now unezakho. Kunabantu abalala eminyango balaliswa abafazi babe eminyango, kunabantu abalala emkhukhwini or kwi-bedroom kwakhe ama-problems wakhe, but you can't bring those things here. You can't. Into ehlanganisela i-one, it's only one thing, ukuthi sileberate isizwe esiselele emuva nge-liberation, sikhulula isizwe simnyama, sibuyisa iland yethu, sibuyisa ama-minerals. Those are the 3, 4 things, 5 things ezihlanganisela, not ama-personal family matters abakomunye imizi. I think you guys, you forgotten ukuthi join ama-politiki. That's the problem. You are not politician, you are gossipers and being personal towards other people. Yini ongathi uyayicelebrate as if like you were equal with uDuduzile noNhlamulo. You were equal ngani kubo? Yes, you are equal because he's black and then you are black. But ngezenzo nangokucabanga you are not equal. And ayikho into uDuduzile bekakuhlupha ngayo or unhlamule bekakuhlupha ngayo ongathi wena naye benibanga, because you can nibanga into equal wena naye, anilingani ngokumcabango, anilingani nezinto enizidingayo, ama-problems wena awalingani, ama-problems kaDuduzi nakaNhlamula awalingani nawakho. Awakho a-resolvable, mhlambe nami ngakuresolvela wona. Yangithola izinto lezo, you must be bare on your minds ukuthi sometimes unokulwisa into engasiyona ama-battles wakho and ongeke uzwawini, but le kaDuduzi you can't win it. This thing is from home, from kubo. She was born there, and that thing, it can't change anything ukuthi uDuduzile ubabakhe loya. Wena ngeke kube umntwana kaZuma, and isenemi yakho angeke kube uZuma, uyohlala umbokodo or umbhubhudleni or umzondeni or umthakathi, uyohlala unjalo, it won't change. Now don't ever think that uzochange i-relationship kababa ubaba nengane. No, you won't. Akeniyeke ungena indaba zabantu. I-problem yenu ukuthi nifocuse ebantwini, anifocusanga kwilona kwi-manifesto, kwi-people's mandate, anikho la, anikho nix at all. The only thing eniyanzi ama-meet and greet. MawuDuduzile angeke azokulwisela i-meet and greet. Ezinye izinto ama-fact, it's just that nizowabaleka, but those are the facts. Yini ebekakuhlupha ngayo uDuduzile ongathi wena beyikuluma, makavela beyikuluma? Awumkolodi, akakolodi, anivakashelana, anifonelani, anibolekani imali, anenzelani. It's just a member like any ordinary member like you, but yena she's also founder and part of abantu abafomela umkhonto wesizwe, wena owahluleka ukufoma nabanye abakini or abangani bakho or your families. Lo muntu wakhelwe ifa or wakhelwe ilikubo, wena what is happening ngawe? Akeneleni ungena indaba zabantu, yekelani ungena izinto ezingasidingi, akisizikile. Let us focus on why sijoine umkhonto thina. That is why we are working, that is why we are working. Lento le uDuduzile uye court ngo-August, make ye court ngo-August uzobe hamba nobabakhe, uzobe nobabakhe, ingane yakhe. Lo wena ongamfuni uDuduzile, but ubabakhe uzobe emkhapha kuye court, no matter how, all the difficulties uzosihamba nobabakhe, because he's her father. Now we're focusing to your mother and your father. Yekela indaba zalapha kuleya muzi loyi, ithakazelo zenu ayifani. Ninenkinga ma-comrade, but I can tell you they will welcome the expansion with a warm hands, warm hands. Phela lokho kwenzeke kubo asiqala ukubona ngaba, ngithi sibonile ngokwabanye. Nango Mary Padi sakubona, wabuyisa uMary Padi wathi hayi isikhathi sakho ke sokuxoshwa sesiphelile, unganabuya manje uthola i-membership yakho. Still the same, it will happen. And a position kumkhonto is not permanent. That also we must not forget. The leadership will change. You'll never know what will happen in the next coming 2 weeks or a week. It might be you. It might be me. Yangithola. I-problem yenu nize emkhontweni nizobenefita, because you can't think outside politics and do something for the living. Babenefitile abantu kuma-politics baphi today, basestradini opule mabo. We can make lot of example ngabantu ababenefite ngama-politics, turning people's their step ladders. Where are they today? Nabo Julius, all of them, they are falling. But if bebabenefite ngokuba yibo nangomqondo wabo nangendlela bona kade ezi-right zokubenefit, ngaba yikho yonke lento enzakala kubo. I-problem yenu nigadane nezinto ezinganidingi. That is why you don't do the groundwork. You are not helping people. We are here to help you, of which it won't work. Hayi man, maqabane manina man, celebrate toti man, celebrate nonsense. Uzomunye sekuzoshaya umoya, kuzoshaya umoya kanti bewungashayini umoya. Bekanoku kuvakashela akucine or akucele something bese uyadineka. Ayangicabanga kanjalo because I see a lot of distance. I see a distance, a very distance. Ebengakuhluphi. It's just that inzondo, umona, jealous as members of Umkhonto. You just hate a person because you hate. Ukuthi umzondelani you don't know. Hayi. Celebrate-ani ke expelwa kwabanye abantwana kodwa ngiyanitshela bazoyi-welcome.
Ake ngibingelele Mbokodo. Yazi ukubhala kwesinye isikhathi kwenza angaveli ama-feelings onawo ngento osuke ukhuluma ngayo. Siyakuqonda ukuthi siya kuma-elections. Ikona impela okusensitive ukuthi siya kuma-elections. Iy'ngane zikababa uMsholo zikhahlazwe ngaphandle. Kube kunokuningi okungahambi kahle ngawo lama-elections esiya kuwona. Lama-elections esiya kuwona ayonika amandla abantu abaronki. Bese beyongena lapha ey'khundleni. Baphatha imali, baphatha omasipala, baphatha amawadi, kube nje yayana. Ngizothi mina, le ngane le ayihlanyi. Sikhumbule ukuthi ubaba uze waba upresident evikelwa yiyona. Sebethe udlwengulile iyona eyayufakazi even ecourt ukuthi ayikho leyo into leyo. Manje uzothi njengabantu abavume bona basayina bona ukuye eRussia bese kubonakala sengazi ukuthi inecala. Akekho umuntu wayezodwedavuza izwe elingaka angene ebhanoyini ahambe izwe elingaka engazi ukuthi uyokwenzani eRussia. Amangawa kawona lawa ashiwo abantu ukuthi wayebakhohlisile wathi bayotrainwa bese beyabuya. eRussia bekwazi ukuthi kuyaliwa vele. Akekho umuntu obengazi ukuthi iRussia neUkraine zibambene kushunquthule. Bahambe bazi kuzothi ngoba abantu sebephethe ubuvaka bokuthi manje insimbi iyashisa eRussia bese bekhanda itori. And nikhumbule imedia ayikaze yahambisana noZuma noma nefamily yakaZuma. Iyona ebispreada lolu daba. Manje sekungathi abantu sebekhohliwe ukuthi imedia neMK noZuma ayikufuni. Qede bona abantu beMK manje bathenga leyo party leyo. Hayi lengane ayikho right. Lengane kade yayisukelwa. Sesize siyacasuka thina esingamakhosikazi esizele ukuthi bona abantu bazoze balalela imedia kangaka. Abasazi ni stand sethu si ngama members eMK nemedia. Abazi ukuthi lengane le isihlukunyezwe kangakanani. Ababoni ukuthi kuyaqhutshekwa ukuhlukunyezwa kwabo yisitha. Manje isizovalelwa nayithina. Ayibuye lengane iyona ekwazi ukuhlola ukupopola ingozi iseza. Ithipisa ubaba wayo. Namanje lengane mangabe ikukhona ukusolisayo ekubonayo isuke ingaqambi manga mhlambe lengane is a guardian angel ephilayo la emhlabeni kababa uMsholozi ukuthi asifuni ukuvula ingqondo sijule nangokucabanga. Iyakwazi lengane ududuzile ukushesha abone izinto ezizobulala Umkhonto ukuthi ngesikhathi ekusho asifuni ukubona. Namanje makuwukuthi sigcobela ensileni kuvele kunensila ebonwa yilengane njengoba siyaka ima-elections ayiveze insila igezwe insila isuswe bese kuyiwa kovota. Akungasho ukuthi isikhathi sokuyovota isikhathi esirong bengafanele lengane ikhulume intontoni. Cha, akakhuluma ududuzile singaze siphoseke eweni siMK ngokuthi ikhundla ziqhoba lwabantu abaronke bajike bazobuyisa isitha back ngo full speed la kwiMK. Akakhuluma impela ududuzile kungaze konakala ngoba ziningi impisi la embethi isikhumba semvu ezizothatha ikhundla kusetshenziswa wona lama consultative meetings esasiwahlala angawazi nokuthi ahluke ngani kwinto ye-conference ngoba lento wawungena vele ngokuthi uney'namba ey'ngakanani. Sibuyela kwinto ubaba uMsholozi abethi akayifuni yama-conferences kodwa sizokwenza enye inhlobo yama-conferences. Hayibo. sithi buya ngane akabuye uDuduzile uhlakaniphile loya mntwana bamgijimisa nesithi simgijimisa ngamabomu uyapheka uyaphula uyangena emakhothi ngamabomu ngoba sebeqalile ukubona ukuthi nangomunye umuntu owathatha ingqondo kayise ohlakaniphile ukwedlula. Akuzothi-ke singoma masicindezele leyo mizwa naleyo mbono kaDuduzile okuyiyona ngempela ukuthi mangabe elokhu eshayile ukuthi khona umkhubo la ugcina uvela umkhuba. Kade abantu sebekhulumile nakuFloyd kwakunje hayi lengane hayi lengane namanje ngithi asemyekeni akhuluma kuzwayo nakubonayo qede kulandelwe ikhona into eyovela namanje ngisasho ikhona into eyovela. uDuduzile akakaze nje avela akhulume umoya emoyeni uhleze ezoshaya isipikili endaweni eright akavele nje ashaya isipikili masithi she nailed it suke sikhuluma ngento yokuthi usishayele ngqo isipikili labe kufanele shayelwe khona. If thina asinawo lawo ma-senses uDuduzile aphathiswe yena uNkulunkulu wakhe namadlozi akonxamalala asiyivaleni imilomo sithule sibuke. Kodwa nje imedia ayikaze yasithanda asinendaba ukuthi imedia yothini nge-MK abekho abantu abayohanjiswa ukuthi uDuduzile usekhulumile siyoma simele iMK uyakwazi ukuyibona into lo yamntwana singakayiboni ilokho nje ngikusho.
Comrades, morning. I hope everybody is good. Hey, Minabafowethu, with no lies, I'm still confused. I know exactly at some point it is good to talk. We can say whatever to whoever. But I would not lies, I'm really lost in Mkondo Sizwe. I'm actually lost. I don't know what is good, what is right, what is wrong, because some of our people abasebenzayo ngokusikhandla emkhondweni wesizwe bayacindezelwa with no lies and then kuthathwe abanye abantu abangena profile who don't even exist kumkhondo wesizwe and be given ama-positions the positions that were supposed to be taken by people who are working ngokusikhandla emkhondweni and with loyalty. Okay, right, it's fine, we understand that. Now the position and the party of entering other people's home, but just Leon Dibuibenzimi dangerous with no lies, because manje siphila komunye umhlaba wokuthi manje amadlozi wonke umuzi nomuzi unedlozi and lonke idlozi liyayilwela ingane yakhona and lonke idlozi liyamlwela umuntu wakhona. So it's gonna be very bad now when we doing these things that we are doing, trying to sabotage other people, trying to character assassinate other people because you don't want to know ukuthi idlozi labo lingakanani. Hey bafowethu, le yanamhlanje, it is very painful with no lies. We do not know what happened behind doors. We don't know ukuthi kwenzakaleni, as we still don't get ukuthi uSambudla Duduzile beno-Nhlamulo Ndlela singazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni because nobody is telling us the truth ukuthi what are they being expelled for. So it is very difficult now for us to say the people who expelled them they are right or wrong, but njengamanje we will see the wrong because we don't see the reason. We don't understand what happened. You understand? Bafowethu, I want us to stay positive and stay knowing ukuthi akekho umzali ongadedela ingane yakhe idliwa mankenjana. Akekho umzali ongadedela ingane yakhe kusayidwe kuliwe ngayo. That means we must also make sure ukuthi we protect ubaba, we protect everybody kumkhonto wesizwe, because I see things that are happening kumkhonto wesizwe. They might cause an internal war of which now kukhona amasela omkhonto wesizwe and nababulali emkhondweni wesizwe, iy'nkabi ezikumkhonto wesizwe nabathakathi abashaya abantu ngoshevu kumkhonto wesizwe. Sike sezwa engathi khona abantu abashawe ngepoison ngapha abantu khona angathi badutshuliwe or bathengelwe iy'nkabi, into ey'njalo asazi, but siyezwa. Okay, so comrade, we need to be very careful. Ezinye izinto singayithathi ngokwe-anger, but we need to go in a right direction, ngendlela right. We need to be guided. Before we do anything, we need to seek a proper guidance, and so that whatever that we do ingabi against umkhonto wesizwe, ingabi against ubaba, because if we do into esingayicabanganga, uyacabanga ukuthi sizolahlekelwa yiprovince. If manje singathi siyi-Johannesburg nje sithi cha thina siyayibeka phansi iy'ntambo asisebenzi kumkhonto wesizwe, yabo, ngenxa yesimo esenzakalile, it's not gonna be nice, guys. You saw what happened in indawo le Mpumalanga and Witbank. Mpumalanga bayashiya intambo phansi, and there's nothing happening in Mpumalanga kumkhonto wesizwe, guys. Umkhonto wesizwe Mpumalanga ufile fi kobe kuyinhlahla if sithole nje iphesenti eMpumalanga. So now this thing, it can't happen here in Johannesburg. We can't keep losing our leaders. We can't depress our leaders. We can't, guys, I don't know. But in Johannesburg, I think it's better ngesimafia. Yabona la iJozi isibethwe ngesimafia, of which it's not nice, with no lies. And it won't end very well. It won't end nice if we do not act accordingly ngendlela, and sizama ukuthi silungise lento, create the unity and love amongst each other. Uyabona lento eyenzakale namhlanje, it created hate, boundaries. Yabo, isiyenza uqhekeka. Ngokuyibuka kwami sekukhona ukuhlukana kwabantu phakathi, and now people are starting to notice each other ukuthi ubani ongakuphi, ubani ongakuphi, and now people are starting to notice each other ukuthi i-behavior yakho injani, i-behavior yakho injani, of which that should be the last thing to happen kumkhonto wesizwe. Umkhonto wesizwe ucreate i-unity kubantu bawo. Unity iyona ehamba phambili kumkhonto wesizwe bafowethu, njengoba nazi ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe wenziwe ngesintu. Uma ngikhuluma ngesintu, ngikhuluma ukuthi wenziwe ngathini, ngiyithathe nje ngiyibuyisele ngithi uyibuyisele emasisweni bafowethu, uyibuyisele emasisweni. I-culture ihambiselana nani, nenhlonipho le esiyidingayo, nothando. Uyabona, ukwazisa umuntu oseduze kwakho, kungenzeka kube umakhelwane wakho, kungenzeka kube usisi wakho, kungenzeka futhi kube ingane yakho. So masiyibuyise emasisweni bafowethu, asikwazi ukuthi so-interferisha ey'ndabeni zokomunye umuzi. Yebo, we are in the same organization, we are doing the things together, but awukwazi ukuseparate ubaba nengane yakhe. Leyo nto awukwazi ukuyenza. These people, they have been doing this thing together for quite some times. in fact isikhathi eside kumkhonto wesizwe. Umkhonto wesizwe ngenxa kaDuduzile bakwakhe and amanye ama-comrades abeseduzane. Yabo. Protected ubaba through ama-case kade hamba kuwona, protected umkhonto wesizwe, the image of umkhonto wesizwe and everything. We do not know what's happening behind doors. We don't know. What's the conflict? We do not know. But as long as ungakaphumi into igama lokuthi kwenzakala ukuthi uDuduzile wenza ukuthi okube emkhontweni that is against umkhonto wesizwe, I don't know, thina sizohlezi believe ukuthi cha okwenzakale kuyena akwenzakalanga ngendlela right, my comrade. Yabo. So comrades, we need to stay united, and whatever decision that you take, make sure ukuthi na you protect isithunzi somkhonto wesizwe, and also ibe nenqubekela phambili, kube into ezokwazi ukuthi ibe nekusasa izokwazi ukufaka futhi indlela enhle nesikole, njengoba sazi ukuthi okwesibili ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe it's a spiritual party. Akukho ngekugezeke bafowethu, akukho ngekuhlale ngaphandle. Abanye bengasicindezela kodwa uNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo uhlukile, akafani, abafani, amadlozi ethu abafani. Lento bengihlezi ngisho ngithi uzothi uyangilwisa kanti awulazi idlozi lami, uzothi uzangishaya kanti usuyifakela amabhadi okugcina, uthola ukuthi idlozi lakho belingithandile noma belibhekile ukuthi lo muntu lona kungenzeka kube umuntu oyokuhlenga noma mhlambe oyokulungisela nawe, or mhlambe uyolungisa izwe noma uyolungisa yini, likuzonde kwalona idlozi lakho likushaye because ushaya umuntu ongenze lutho kuwena, uvimbela umuntu ongenze lutho kuwena, uvimbela iy'nhlahla zakho. Mina I always say ukuthi shaya umuntu okushayayo, not umuntu ongakushaya. Umuntu ungaze umvimbele ukuthi angene kuleya position because awumuzwa kahle, or mhlambe because usebenza kakhulu usabe ukuthi mayeselaphayana mhlambe uzonyusa umkhonto wesizwe noma uzosebenza ngokuzikhandla noma ngokuthembakala, ugcina ungabonakalanga mhlambe noma mhlambe kwenzakalani asazi. But comrade, ikusasa laziwa, enikwenzayo bafowethu nazi ukuthi kuzoreflecta nakusasa. Yenza into wazi ukuthi tomorrow mawusesenkingeni kukhona abayokuflathela ngezenzo zakho, kukhona futhi abayokubheka ngezenzo zakho, kukhona abayokuhlenga ngezenzo zakho, khona abayokucindezela ngezenzo zakho. So isinqumo osenza manje emkhontweni ucabangela ikusasa, ngoba kusasa kungenzeka udinga usizo komunye umuntu bese kukhumbuza. Siyabonga.
Ngithi ngize-addressa lento le in two separate VNs eyase-court. There was no need really for Advocate Masuku standing for MK ukuthi delve into the nitty-gritty details of everything that is being questioned and put under the microscope by Umkhonto wesizwe at this stage, because my understanding ngokwe-limited knowledge yami yezomthetho, very limited, i-process ekusesekuyona today njengoba atsho akaka-attendwa the actual arguments of the case and everything. What he is advocating for at this stage is oral evidence. Ukuthi the court must allow the applicant, which is Umkhondo Wesizwe, our representative, to present oral evidence by an expert IT fundi who's got a PhD kwizinto ze-IT infrastructure and so on and so forth. It is that expert witness, IT fundi, that will then argue the report that is put to the court by IEC. IEC, that is a respondent in this case. And for that matter, that is number one. Hence, asho ukuthi uMasuku maka-responda kule ntombazana le ethengiwe lama-charge ka-Cyril. Hence, asho ukuthi it is not me that is disputing what the IEC is stating in their answering affidavit. It is the expert who's a PhD that is disputing that. Hence, I am saying it's not me, Masuku ne BA degree. Who am I to be disputing what the IEC is saying? But the expert in the field ye-IEC infrastructure eqashwe ngumkhondo wesizwe is disputing that. Put him on the stand so that he can put to the test what the IEC is stating. And for that matter, nami ngingena i-law degree ndinjalo, and anybody else nawe, Commander. You can argue the same and we throw it back to le Judge Mbumbulu yomlungu. The same argument ayibeka ku Advocate Masuku. Ukuthi the very same IEC commissioners and CEO, bani CEO, management that are putting this statement as a response, they also are not IT fundis. Their qualifications are not in IT and IT infrastructure and design, software design and what have you. In terms of their qualifications, they also are not IT fundis. As commissioners and as officials zakwa IEC, baqashiwe kwa IEC nabo. So they are not in a position to be saying siyayazi system yethu, i-system yabo or law system babeyisebenzisa ngo-2024 system that has been outsourced or procured from an IT company, having been designed by an IT fund. Hence now, we can't just be expected as Umkhondo Wesizwe and as Advocate Masuku representing Umkhondo Wesizwe. You cannot be expected to argue on technical things kwi-field angena expertise kuyona. Bese ijaji ifuna ukunamathela kwindaba yokuthi i-IEC says, i-IEC ngabantu, it's warm bodies, it's not just an organization. It's represented by warm bodies. Those warm bodies, they are not IT fundis. They are using the system. Baqashwe yithi thina bahlali singabavoti. So it's a tool la system yabo ye field abanga qualify yokuyo. Hence Advocate Masuku is now asking for ukuthi kube ne oral evidence that would then present our arguments for disputing the elections processes, because this is a good processes manje sakudispute process yona la 2-hour glitch on the basis as well of what we saw as the public and what was also confirmed by an expert, the PhD graduate. So bona they must answer the question that is before them, or the plea that is before them, yokuthi allow for oral evidence by an expert who's got a PhD degree in IT infrastructure, not abakwazi ukuphinda babe ngamagqwetha we-IEC. Uba no, i-IEC says you don't know when i-system yase-IEC. I-IEC says this is what happened during that time. Even if that is the version of IEC which is under scrutiny. So bayazikhulumela. Bakhulumela ubugenzi ababenzayo because they know ukuthi babegensile laphayana. Noba babegenze under duress or tena, but kwamanje kusa challenge process akakafikwa kuma results because abamyeke uAdvocate Masuku aze nabo ngomgca, because ama results la sekajambela kuwo lo sisi lo wejudge athi are you disputing the result, makangamncameli makangambhodi ngaphambili uAdvocate Masuku, because ukdispute of course we are disputing ama results, but asikakafiki lapho sahamba nezinto ngomgca ngokwe-process, so that once the expert a witness is put on the stand, he is then able to punch the holes, abonise, demonstrate everything that happened which disputes the version ka IEC. And from those arguments, then a conclusion can then be drawn ukuthi as a result of all the things, the shenanigans that happened during that process, all the process flaws that were allowed to happen during that 2-hour blackout, they have resulted in these fraudulent results. Ngalendlela. That would be a conclusion that is drawn, but kuhanjwa nezinto ngomgca ngokwe-process, had that 2-hour glitch not been allowed to happen, kwi-system eyayingena nix, eyayingena rongo, if it's not broken, don't fix it, kutsho nangesilungu. Kwakungekho nto irongo kwi-system, but they decided ukuthi ba-blackout, thinking into yoba nobody is going to notice, everybody is sleeping at those early hours. Meanwhile, they knew ukuthi babenyengeza ke manje lama predetermined results bebenawo kakade from long before the elections, bevotisa abantu bokufika besenza yonke lanto leya. So they were cooking, and mabambe no applicant ngomgca bangamjambeli bambhode ngaphambili, and they must not be advocates zika IEC. IEC has got their advocates as badalai. Bona, they are supposed to be independent. And of course, when you are taken to court, anybody, xa uya court, you go there to defend yourself as a respondent. You can't just say, oh, okay, ewe ndiyavuma. you will defend yourself, which is what IEC is doing. But it is that version of theirs that needs to be put to the test. Advocate Masuku has said that so many times. Mna ndingumasuku and as a lawyer and a BA degree, I am not disputing this, but the expert witness of my client is disputing it. Let's put it to the test. I'm not saying what they are saying is true or is false or disputing it or accepting it. I am saying put it to the test. But siku oral evidence manje. I'm praying to the court or pleading to the court to allow oral evidence that will be given by an expert witness. That is the question that they must answer today.
Yazi inzalo yenkohlakalo, it's a karma. Inzalo yenkohlakalo, it's a karma. Uyabona inesusa nama roots wayo. Comrade, the leopard never change the blind spots. Now, yazi khona into engithi mangihleli ngizibheka ngianalyzer ezinye ngizicela nasesithunyweni. Yazi bafethu ngifuna ukunitshela into eyi-1. Mawu-1 nje uhleli akuhlale nje. Uhlale ubuyele back to abantu abaningi bashaywa introspection. Yeah, introspection of to become yourself. Ukuthi ufike la ukhona ubuyaphi, where you are coming from. We are too ignorant to that. Sometimes you need to sit down and check your entire life of your background ukuthi uzufike la today. Izinto ezenzakela, ama hiccups and all that, the families around you, friends around you, your girlfriends, your boyfriends, all these things, your kids and whatever, distance relationship, distance girlfriends, distance, or distance, all these things. Ukubheke nje ukuthi okay, today I'm here. Today it's 18 June 2026. I'm here today. You need that as a person. That's where you'll understand where you do wrong things and ubheke ucompare ukuthi lezi zinto ebengizenza before zisafana yini lezi engizenza namhlanje. And what I gain if I'm do 1 2 3 4 5 after I've done 1 2 3. Now, OSG, he have a chance on the national media TV. You know, on that day, like, Aidana, there's something that personal, man. He said it straight that Tutuzile is just an ordinary member like any member of MK, of Mkhonto Sizwe Party. Hey, man. Just like that. As a SG, a person who understands the position that is holding, how can you say that on the national TV? He never seen that it's inviting the division to Mkhonto Sizwe Party. He never think that it is giving those who are against Mkhonto Sizwe Party and oppositions for Mkhonto Sizwe Party to being attacked. He invited the crack and the division of Mkhonto Sizwe Party live on TV. Uzozo umuntu makakhuluma la, yeah, this thing yokuthi nithathe izinto zomkhonto nizikhulume kuma social media, ubaba usikhuzile, what I say. But your SG went to the TV and said that Tutuzile is just an ordinary member like any member of Mkhonto Sizwe Party. What was it so difficult to say? Tutuzile, she have his space. She have a space in the MK as a member of Umkhonto weSizwe, she knows where he stands for. Simple as that. And out. She's being attacked by the very same media because of the SG. He invited the can of worms to Umkhonto weSizwe party and the daughter of the president. He invited the crack inside the MK. Nibhizi la baba wasikhuza ngalento ama-social media mase kuye baba wasikhuza ngalento leyo ukuthi siloke senza amalona kuma-social media and what. The time eyikhuluma uNobhala zange nisho ukuthi Nobhala, but what you are saying there, you are inviting the can of worms and attacks from oppositions and to even from our enemies. You were not supposed to say that. Hayi nina manini ngamamenemene man. Ngamamenemene man. Ake nibuyele back nenze introspection ngeliyeve yenu man. Nenkinga man. Serious problem. Thina ngeke ke sikiyeke ukulwa masibona nonsense. Sibhilivela la sibhilivela khona ene yonke into masiyenza siyayiguqela ene siyayicela nasesithunyweni. Sizoyilwela whatever masibona into ukuthi nonsense. If uthanda mina ufana nonkosikazi othi uma umthatha unezingane makangakuthandi nezingane zakho lo nkosikazi lo must go shaya shopper sakhe aphuma ahambe if akafuna izingane zami, because she's here as like she's in the organizational work. Uthanda abantwana bami, uthanda nami. Now unkosikazi okuthandayo ukwelkhama nezingane zakho. Nenza ngathi anizange nithandane, ngathi anizange nize nizwane, ngathi nizange nibe nama-hiccups kuma-relationships. That is why ngithanda ukungena indaba zabantu noku-interfere kuma-families. Hayi man. Ake nisebenzise lama-common sense wenu man. Thina uyasi-attack awusi-attack as long ungasi-affect ngeqiniso nangama-facts. Hayi hambe uyofa. Hamba ungena emgodini or ushayise epalini or uhambe uyohlala. Angazi ngoba uRamaphosa ama-train wathathile kusho ukuthi baningi abasazozihenga. If i-train beyisimple igadi ubevele uzilahlele kunqamu namakhanda kulahlelele hlukane nathi sikuncwabe. Umkhonto uzounite ngenkani as long usesekhona la emkhontweni. Niyathanda anithandi. Kumanje nithulile. Ngoba anithandi MK nijabulile abanye benu uya celebrating ukuthi umkhonto ngathi awunayo imali yokuya kuma elections. Hayi.
Commander kunjani Kokheli? Yesterday lento engizayikhuluma it could just be something yokuthi sipanic because iza got the very same sources zalabathengisi abebenyengezelwa into le ama-letters angasuki indawo nguFloyd neqela lakhe bese selapha. Well, we know ukuthi i-crew kaFloyd ke because naye wayelethwe ngabantu abangaphakathi already asebe-infiltratile. They are still in our midst. But kune press conference today, of course, reading from a letter. A letter is not on the official MK letterhead. I know that for a fact. It resembles those letterheads and letters abajwayele ukuzibhala lapha eGauteng. Lamankazana wabo Maseko bazibhale in the name of the speaker. who was Nhlamulo then, or bazibhale in the name of uSecretary General ngesikhathi kusese uMaseko, besithi masidiscussa lapha eGauteng group anything, abomtshali laba bebesebegijimisa iletha manje within 5-10 minutes sidiscuss, kube sekuvela iletha in the name of Secretary General, which means beyiphuma kubo vele. La Women's League yamadoda ingekho semthethweni. So ithi le letter kune press conference today. Umkhonto wesizwe is calling a press conference. Apparently they are going to expel Commander Grenade. Bese babuyele emuva ke, same old ama-reasons, dale senza izinto wathuka uFloyd. I mean, you can read between the lines uba i-modus operandi is the same people abebethunyiwe bazama ukuhijack umkhonto wesizwe vele. Laba baspreada lento le yakhona le press conference nani, hence ngithi kusengaba ayisuka indawo, it's just something but it could just be a bait yokuthi kube ngxabangxaba la kumkhondo wesizwe. Kungekho kwa press conference ehlose lokho. Hence I decided not to undisposed izinto ezinjeya in any platform. Especially when they don't have a basis, you know. I know Stratcom ukuthi isebenza kanjani, planting some misinformation and disinformation to achieve their purpose yokudungadunga umkhondo wesizwe vele. That's my feeling about that. But bengithi ngiku-alert nje ukuthi kunaleyo nto leyo that is out there on the social media platform. And it could be done by the very same people abazodungadunga umkhonto wesizwe abathunyiwe, ukuthi we the ground forces turn against uNomvalo, because they tend to, when they are analyzing now, in inverted commas, because that's not an analysis, Ozizipho and those people about distributor land are not in a position to analyze anything politically, economically, or otherwise. Go brown envelopes abangengawo nama-journalist for that matter, but ke bahambisa i-mandate yabo, because they exist in their whatsoever things they call channels, just for ukwenza umsebenzi wabo abawuthunyiwe. So they are pitching uNomvalo against the ground forces, because in their so-called analysis, they are the ones abakhuluma ngama-factions esingawazi, where they are saying uNomvalo is in the faction kaTony Yengeni, uNomvalo noSifiso. They are just pitching them against us. Because we know for a fact ukuthi uNomvalo is not in any side yabantu abafike bathunywa. He's recruited by us, is one of us. And so is uSifiso, but they just want us, the ground forces now, to turn against our very own and to turn against one another, because they know ukuthi strength somkhondo wesizwe is in the ground forces. So bafuna ukusidunga-dunga ke manje sodwa sizi-ground forces bathunyiwe yilezi zinja ke zingoTony Yengeni and the hijackers ezizibizwa ukuthi ziyi-NHC ziyi-leadership. So kuhlangahlangene, kumele sihlabe sikhangele. I'm just I think they are ventilator like when and also giving a heads up ukuthi asihlabeni sikhangele. That is an attack on us as the ground forces. Yonke lanto engalaletha ukuthi if they can get to us as ground forces basidungadunge singathembani siqala ukubhekana ngamanye amehlo sisodwa. That's my strong feeling ukuthi it's also their motive by spreading all of those things. Commander Grand Rising.